Beauty and fashion have always been highly dynamic. Technology saw the transition from traditional print or media to social media's exponential boom, also enduring a pandemic that brought strict rules and regulations as well as reduced business activities. How did they cope with technology? Countless platform technologies exist, but our focus is centered on AR and its impact on consumers. Globally renowned L'Oreal recently utilized technology from Alibaba to release Magic Mirrors and their Genius app, which allows users to visualize products on themselves, and the Magic Mirror can directly order from the Chinese e-store. Based on the product selected by the user, the data obtained from the camera is interpreted and processed using Alibaba's software to map and track the necessary anchor points required by the specific product. Based on the product chosen, the necessary effect algorithms are retrieved via a network connection to L'Oreal's servers, which is then processed by Alibaba's software to map or remap the necessary effect onto the user and adjust based on their orientation. Before we discuss the impacts related to AR's use, it should be noted that even though our focus is on the consumer, a positive impact may have a negative impact on another user. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Advantages: environmentally friendly. With an ever-growing environmentally conscious planet, consumers look to companies to set a proper example. Data and statistics collected through AR usage can be processed to evaluate trends, and this information can be used to manage raw materials, which in turn requires less from the environment. Richer and more engaging user experiences. For those who choose to refrain from social interaction, or those who prefer much more than a click on a website, AR creates a more engaging and immersive experience. Time does not exist on an app, meaning users can experiment as long as they want and aren't restrained by opening and closing hours. Better customer service. These apps would have more data processed to recommend products and make shopping more personalized than compared to a stranger. Increased utilization of AR creates jobs, be it in the field of technology, resale, or social media influencing. This increased presence by the beauty and fashion industry opens a door for new sources of income. AR is hardware intensive, and not all devices can perform its workload efficiently. To compensate, companies compromise their products to accommodate a larger consumer base, thus affecting the overall quality of their product. This may in turn present problems where different device cameras replicate a different result or no result at all, frustrating the consumer. Health is always a concern where it comes to apps that integrate with social media. From damaged eyesight to the effect on mental health of teens, overuse or misuse of AR can be detrimental. The privacy debate is ongoing. Companies utilizing third-party services subject their end users' data to that company's policy, and with more and more instances where companies network and market our data, the gap widens on our speculation.